So yeah, just a little click, my friend, to say I am, working on being more and more of service. Just maybe not more. I used to be more, but I'm more in accurate, more empowerment service in my own power more. And I'd like to ask you, what areas of your life would you like me to potentially help you with? If you have any questions or answers, I'd also like to invite you to a free, my 2 free new books, Self-Awareness and Living in the Now, and Heal Yourself, Your Life, Your Relationship, Family and Ancestral Line. So my work heavily revolves around healing yourself. That's the most important thing. And looking and changing yourself and working your own issues out from childhood and life, as well as your relationship, because that's where most spirituality is most entangled and complicated, with other people's emotions and behaviors too, and their past and childhood. So please receive my 2 free books. Leave your comments and questions below, and I have a free video course also in my link below. So join it, it's free, no credit card detail needed.